What's up, y'all? I'm just sitting here. I'm gonna chat with you all while y'all watch me clean up. Yeah, just get up and do it. I know it's hard, but just push. Get up and get it done. You'll feel so happy you did. You'll feel great afterwards. Yeah, folding towels now. Yeah, so I got to get on here and um, start getting used to talking. Talking to the camera, feeling like I'm talking to no one, feeling like I'm talking to myself. I mean, I do that anyway. Yeah, I do a lot of talking to myself nowadays. I think it's healthy, actually. I remember people used to say that if you talk to yourself, you must be crazy. But now it's funny how like that has totally changed because it's so many people out here that like does things to get up under your skin nowadays. And so it's better to actually talk to yourself and talk it out so that you won't react. Yep. Now I'm washing dishes. Just getting it done. Get it done. Get it done. Yep. But so yeah, I need to get used to talking to the camera. I have a lot to talk about. But then I just kind of like hold it in. It's almost like I don't know where to start. But I definitely have a lot to talk about. I'm sure a lot of us do. But I'm gonna try to get there. I have to just, do the uncomfortable. Yep. But I feel like what do I feel like? I feel like I'm about to start a new journey soon. I don't know if it's like in the next 6 months or in the next year and a half. That sounds far. But I definitely feel that way. Yeah. Now I'm picking greens. I'm about to cook. About to cook a little soul food meal. And I'm just over here prepping. But yeah, my new journey will consist of doing what I really shouldn't have never stopped doing. And that's culinary. I find so much joy in culinary, whether it's cooking, baking, decorating cakes. I find so much joy in it. Versus working a 9 to 5 at a warehouse where people, I don't even want to say like where they don't appreciate you. Nobody has to really, but I mean, it's just kind of like you don't have to appreciate me, but you also don't have to disrespect me and do harmful things. That's all. It's just not a comfortable environment. It doesn't fit with my spirit. And it never has since I've been working there for like going on 9 years. The whole 9 years, I'll say, with the exception of me first walking through the door, maybe the first 6 months to a year, I really didn't know any better, but it didn't take too long for me to find out, about people, the people that work there. And with that being said, shoes, I forgot what I was saying. Well, now I'm going on a little journey to the grocery store, Aldi's to be exact. I like Aldi's. Small and to the point. Not too many people. Look at me picking at my lips, biting on my lips. That's a habit I need to get rid of. And I've had it for years. But yeah, so I'm just ready to embark on a new journey. And yeah, like I said, I shouldn't have ever stopped doing culinary, but I'm ready to dive back into it, and I'm ready to be consistent with it and just build a brand. We often think about if we had never quit something, how far we would be. And sometimes that's what I think about. Yep. But it's something I love to do. And I don't know. It's like when you do it for others, you kind of feel like there's like this reciprocation because they enjoy it as well on the other end. So now I'm over here making up my bed. Yep. Just getting it done. Getting it done. Go get it done. If we could be at home every day, all day, man, we could get a lot done. But I'm working on everything day by day. Day by day. Oh yeah, here goes the baking part. I wish I could eat this stuff. It looks so delicious. But I'm actually making a cake for somebody. It's not for my household. It's for someone I work with. A person that I work with that is a good person. He is a good person. Yeah. Oh, now it's time to wind down. Don't mind if I do. Nice glass of chilled wine. It's about that time. All right now. Guess I'm just gonna chill after this. Don't mind if I do. Oh, there's the cake. Thank you. Bye-bye.